Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Mutton Kolambu in a simple form. Now I'll show you the ingredients. For 250 grams of mutton, we need ginger, garlic, small onion, 1 big onion, 1 tomato, little fennel seeds, turmeric powder, sambar powder, chili powder, salt, gingerly oil. Now add ginger, garlic, 4 to 5 pieces of small onion, fennel seeds to grind. On the stove, add 5 teaspoons of gingerly oil. Add onion, garlic and tomato. Now add ginger garlic paste, sambar powder, chili powder. Now add this pressure cooked mutton along with water. See, now mutton kolambu is boiling. Close it with lid for 15 minutes in sim. Now yummy mutton kolambu is ready.